It's a fat ass right there, let me tell you. Jesus. Ford Super Duty, but that's a turbo diesel. Not today. Seats are almost finished, and we should have those back in about a week. I hear they are absolutely amazing. Super excited, but for now, we are actually going to take the Audi for a nice little drive, get some lunch, and have fun in the rain. Talk about the Audi a little bit, but we'll be doing some POV on the Datsun once the seats are done. So let's have fun. See what this thing sounds like. It's dirty. Gotta wash it. A lot of people ask what it's like going from the Golf R to this. And it is absolutely monstrous. There is no comparison from this and a Golf R. I don't care who you are. The 5-cylinder sounds absolutely phenomenal. Once I get the actual DJI mini mics in here, we'll have some way better sounds out of the exhaust. Everything's factory. But there is no comparison to driving this and a Golf R. I don't care who you are. It's a different animal. All-wheel drive launch is phenomenal. One of my favorite things about this is honestly the cold start protection. Most probably get freaked out if you don't know it's there. Start it up, it's actually red lines down about $5,000 until it gets a little warm, and then as you can see, it'll go back up to 7,000 after a while. It usually takes a couple minutes, but it's a phenomenal car. I can, for me at least, I don't have anything to compare it to, but it is so fun to drive. Launching this thing is absolutely insane. That took me a little bit to actually get used to it, but it's fantastic. People ask me about the steering wheel. What's it like having the steering wheel consistently? I don't even notice it. Looking at the pictures, I would think this is like really awkward, which is how this whole setup is, and I never think about it. People write all the time how ugly it is, how weird it has to be. I literally never think about it after owning this car. The one thing I do think about that I do wish that I didn't get, that I thought I wanted, was the suede steering wheel. I have no idea how long it's going to last. It feels like wet cardboard to me, like at the end of the day. Like, it feels like wet cardboard, and I feel like I don't know what to do if like it, like you can even maybe see here, I probably need to get something to start cleaning it, and like I don't have dirty hands at all, but like it's just from the oils, you can see it's getting a little shiny here. I gotta find a cleaner. I think a lot of people actually did give me some pointers on what to buy, and I just haven't bought it yet. This guy is like going insanely slow because he saw a cop hanging out in the corner. But this road, you just have to put on cruise control because they'll get you. 45 speed limit on this road, and it's insanely long. But fantastic car. Only issue that I have with this car, like I have with almost any car, is the, yeah, you're still there, is the CarPlay, you know, Android Auto. It sucks to connect to a lot of the times. Don't even try wireless. Everybody's always like, oh, does it have wireless CarPlay? Don't even try to use it. It connects, it disconnects. It doesn't matter what car you have. I have problems with every single car. Audi, Volkswagen, GMs, like anything. Anything I've ever had. Always have issues with wireless CarPlay. Just get the wire. Honestly, you'll never have problems with the wire. But if wireless CarPlay is your thing, just know it sucks. Don't even worry about it. Just get a wire, plug it up, call it a day. People ask like how you feel about like the haptic steering wheel buttons. Again, just like the shape of the steering wheel, I don't even think about it. They click. If you can hear that, they click. They slide up and down for volume, as you can see there. You can click it if you want. You get the best of both worlds, honestly. The one thing that is really annoying though, if you want to turn the volume up here, is like this thing is haptic, right there. It's stupid. You literally gotta swirl it to get the volume to go up and down. Like, you could at least give me a button here. At least give me a button. And better yet, give me the knob. Or put the knob here. I do like how it's all buttonies here. Got all buttons here. This is the 8Y facelift. 25. I do think that something's changed for the 26s, but it's a phenomenal car to drive. Yeah, it's dirty. I got a microfiber towel there and a sandwich wrapper. You guys just have to get over it. But it's great. I love the green trim everywhere. I love the green. People compliment me all the time on the green. There is another one here actually at the beach, pre-facelift, that I see around every now and then. If you happen to see this video, we got to meet up because we're twinsies. So, but yeah, man, car is phenomenal. No questions about it. I would never go back to a Golf R unless they gave me the Quattro Haldex system from this and the motor. There's no sound better in my opinion. Sorry V8 guys, sorry LS guys. And honestly, I like the sound better than my Datsun chop. And you guys have probably heard my Datsun chop. But nothing compares to driving this 5-cylinder around. I love the sound. Can't wait to get some exhaust for it. I'll probably, bite the bullet on, the $3,000 something or another. And I'll probably get a cold air intake at some point from IROS, who, believe it or not, I believe is the cheapest option. I think it's $800. But, and that's honestly probably all I'll do. I don't think I'll ever actually tune this at all. I don't think I even need to get suspension. I don't even see, I mean, like, I have like a 2-finger gap. I mean, if you wanted to slam it, by all means go for it. But I mean, the front lip now scrapes on my driveway. If I dropped it like an inch, I'm not going to be able to get out of my driveway. So for me, I don't even see the point of it. But yeah. It's a fat ass right there, let me tell you. Jesus. Ford Super Duty. But that's a turbo diesel. Get yourself some Bojangles? Oh shit. Get that Jangles. Oh no. Oh yeah. Get that Jangles. You get that spicy chicken. Some people really hate the okay. Some people really hate the drive modes, which I will say, normal drive mode, D, is nothing fun in normal drive mode. There's nothing fun here, honestly. And Unitronic, I saw that you did release some fun stuff. But there's nothing fun in drive mode. This is purely like, I'm just trying to get some gas mileage. There's nothing here. Blowing gear, first to second, it's not really sure what it wants to do a lot of the times. Just know that. It doesn't know what it wants, okay? If you want to have fun, drop in sport, play with the paddles, do what you gotta do. D is what we're doing right now, right? And I'll reach down here and I'll pop it down to sport mode if I want to like have a little bit of fun in the city, drive around in the city. I'll do sport mode. But anywhere else, I just leave it in D. I always drive in individual mode. You can see that it's individual there, if you can see that. Basically, all I've done is just open up the valves and adjust the suspension and the steering how I like. That's it. That's all I've done. Some people may have questions like, what's the difference between individual and then if you pop it again, you know, what's the difference between the other mode? It just maximizes everything else. It maximizes throttle response. It's just a preset mode. Individual is basically you can just customize every aspect of the RS mode. That's it. But yeah, modes pretty terrible. If you want to have fun with this thing, drive in sport mode all the time. Gas mileage, it's decent. I probably get like 450 a tank, give or take. Actually, maybe a little bit more. Nah, probably 450. We're at 440 right now. Yeah, I filled up not long ago. But this thing's phenomenal. Absolutely love it. Everyone always complains about the piano black right here. Again, like the steering wheel, I don't even think about it at all. People are like, oh, it'll get scratched. Well, don't put your keys there, man. It won't get scratched, right? I don't know what to tell you. Would it be nicer if it had like, I don't know, some of, you know, something green twill? Sure. If they make something that I can lay over here, I'd buy it. But again, another one of the things I just don't think of. I think there's a lot of weirdness in complaints these days, man. Super fun car. I grew up driving Dodge minivans, driving an Audi RS3. I'm content. Done with the lunch. Headed back home. Oh, we're almost home. We'll do one last little ripper right before we turn into the neighborhood. And we'll call it a day. Go pet the Dotson and get back to work. And see how much we'll slippy slide here. Yahtzee. Bloop, bloop. Rain, rain, rain. Oh, we got some packages. Soon. See you later, guys.